Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create yourself a Fubo account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, now we'll simply start our video. For that matter, what you have to do is first of all gonna access a particular Fubo app on your mobile phone and tap on this sign in option given, or you can simply tap on this start a free trial. Right, so if you go to this sign in option, you're gonna go ahead and enter your particular email password and tap on this sign in with my email, right? For that, and then if you tap on the start free trial, it will simply open up a tab for you there in the browser section, and now you will find this option called welcome to Fubo. You just need to complete 3 steps to get into it. Tap on next. Now go ahead, enter your particular email password, your zip code, tap on this confirm, and then tap on this continue. This way you will be able to get yourself an account there in Fubo, including a subscription for the package and the free trial day of 7 days. And that while you can go ahead stream your Fubo TV. If you do not prefer that subscription, you can cancel as well. So it's kind of a safe way for you to create an account and get the subscription. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.